Magnesium hydroxide in the field of environmental protection is mainly used as flame retardant, acid, wastewater treatment agent, heavy metal removal agent, flue gas desulfurization agent, etc. The production principle of magnesium hydroxide ball press is very simple, easy to operate. Customers can easily master the operation of magnesium hydroxide ball press. Key points: hydraulic protection device of magnesium hydroxide ball press is made of hydraulic pump will high pressure oil into the hydraulic cylinder so that the piston produces axial displacement. The front joint head of the piston rod. The front joint head of the piston rod is on the bearing seat to meet production pressure requirements. When the feed between the two rollers is too much or enters the metal block, the hydraulic cylinder piston rod is overloaded. The hydraulic pump will stop. The accumulator plays a buffer role on the pressure change. The relief valve is opened and the oil is returned. The piston rod is shifted so that the gap between the rollers is increased, so that the hard object passes through the press roll. The system pressure is restored to normal, and the press roll can be protected from damage.